Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sanofi reported that the FDA has granted Breakthrough Therapy designation to Venglustat for neurological symptoms associated with type 3 Gaucher disease. The oral glucosylceramide synthase inhibitor is designed to cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce glycosphingolipid accumulation in the central nervous system. The designation follows positive Phase 3 LEAP-2 mono trial results, demonstrating statistically significant improvements in neurological symptoms compared with enzyme replacement therapy. The status may accelerate development timelines and regulatory review. GSK announced that its B7-H3 targeted antibody-drug conjugate risvotatug risatecan has received orphan drug designation in Japan for small cell lung cancer. The therapy is being evaluated across multiple solid tumors, including lung, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The designation was granted by Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, based on early Phase 1 Artemis 001 data, showing durable responses in patients with extensive stage disease. Regeneron and Sanofi reported that Dupixent, also known as dupilumab, has been approved in Japan for adults with bullous pemphigoid. The approval is based on results from the Phase 2 to 3 Liberty BP ADAPT trial, which evaluated dupilumab in combination with corticosteroids. Patients receiving the therapy achieved higher rates of sustained disease remission at week 36 compared with those receiving placebo with corticosteroids. The approval marks the first targeted therapy available for bullous pemphigoid in Japan. UCB announced that PANTHERx Rare has been selected as the exclusive specialty pharmacy partner for distribution of KYGEVVI, a therapy indicated for TK2 deficiency, a rare mitochondrial disease. The partnership will support therapy distribution and patient access programs, including treatment initiation and ongoing support services. Such specialized pharmacy networks play an important role in managing complex rare disease treatments. Sarepta Therapeutics reported plans to submit supplemental new drug applications seeking traditional approval for its Duchenne muscular dystrophy, exon-skipping therapies, Amondys 45 and Vyondys 53. Both treatments previously received accelerated approval in the United States. The submissions, expected by April 2026, will rely on confirmatory data from the ESSENCE clinical trial, as well as real-world evidence to support long-term clinical benefit. Otsuka presented new clinical findings for repinatrabit, an investigational therapy being developed to treat phenylketonuria by inhibiting the SLC6A1-9 transporter. In an open-label extension study, adolescents receiving the treatment showed clinically meaningful reductions in blood phenylalanine levels. At the same time, the company continues to advance a global Phase 3 trial, evaluating the therapy in adults. Quoin Pharmaceuticals announced that the FDA has granted Fast Track designation to QRX003, a topical lotion being evaluated for Netherton syndrome, a rare genetic skin disorder. Fast Track status enables more frequent communication with the FDA and may allow accelerated regulatory pathways if clinical data support potential benefit. Ultragenyx reported positive results from a Phase 3 trial evaluating DTX301, an A-AV-based gene therapy designed to treat ornithine transcarb amylase deficiency. In the study, patients receiving the therapy showed significantly lower ammonia levels compared with placebo at 36 weeks, meeting one of the trial's co-primary endpoints. The therapy aims to deliver a functional OTC gene to liver cells to restore normal ammonia metabolism. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.